Imagine a fighter jet you can't see until it's already locked on. While you search the skies, it's silently hunting your tankers, your AWACS, your base. A dragon in the shadows, real, not myth. This is China's Chengdu J-20, the mighty dragon, and it's changing the balance of air power. Welcome to Jet Hub. Today we reveal how J-20 has gone from secret prototype to one of the most feared stealth fighters in the world. Subscribe now for fact-driven aircraft stories and specs that keep you ahead of the curve. China's Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is more than a jet, it's a statement of power. Born from stealth ambition and years of guarded development, the twin-engine fifth-generation fighter now prowls the skies with a mission: outsee and outshoot its rivals. Radar-evading design, new WS-15 engines, and sensor fusion give it reach and agility few can match. With long-range PL-15 missiles hidden in cavernous internal bays, it can strike support aircraft long before detection. Once dismissed as a copycat project, the J-20 has matured into the spearhead of the People's Liberation Army Air Force, reshaping strategies across the Indo-Pacific. This is the dragon that no longer hides. From secret hangars in Chengdu, the first J-20 prototype took shape in the late 2000s. A direct answer to America's F-22 Raptor. When it roared into view during a 2011 test flight, the world realized China had leapt generations in fighter design. The J-20's angular delta canard layout and radar-absorbent skin scatter radar energy like ripples on water. Internal bays hide missiles, keeping its radar cross-section razor-thin, perfect for slipping past early warning radars. Power of the Dragon. Initial jets flew with Russian AL-31F engines, but the latest variants sport China's own WS-15 turbofans, pushing thrust to weight high enough for true supercruise, supersonic flight without afterburners. Sensor fusion. An AESA radar, electro-optical targeting pods, and distributed infrared sensors give 360-degree awareness. Network data links let the J-20 feed information to drones, ships, and ground forces, transforming it into an airborne command node. Weapons of first strike. Inside its cavernous bays, PL-15 long-range missiles capable of threatening high-value support aircraft, PL-10 agile dogfight missiles, and precision air-to-ground munitions. Its doctrine: first look, first shot, first kill. Specifications at a glance. Top speed, Mach 2.0. Combat radius, 1,100 kilometers. Mission dependent. Service ceiling, 60,000 feet. Engines, 2x WS-15, 35,000 lbf each. Crew, 1 pilot. Operational reality. Declared combat ready in 2017. The J-20 now patrols the Taiwan Strait and South China Sea. Its presence forces every regional power to rethink air defense strategy and keeps Western stealth fighters on constant alert. Legacy in the making. The Mighty Dragon signals China's arrival as a true fifth-generation air power heavyweight. Continuous upgrades, AI co-pilots, drone teaming, and new weapons hint at a future sixth-generation fighter already taking shape. Thanks for watching Jet Hub. If the Mighty Dragon's rise surprised you, Imagine what's coming next. Like, share, and subscribe for more fact-based aircraft stories. Comment which jet you want in our next sortie. See you in the skies.